Here I have a potato and a straw. If I try to poke this straw into this potato, it doesn't go inside much and also it bends. But if I put my thumb over this straw and try to poke it now, as you can see, it goes in. How does this happen? Let's find out.
How does that happen? When I try to poke the potato without my thumb covered, it does not go in because the straw itself is weak. But when I put my thumb over the top end of the straw and then try poking it, it goes through the potato because the air in the straw has no way to pass through and it gets compressed and makes the straw stronger, which makes it possible to pierce through the potato.